You are learning Power BI, then this is the series for you. Start from video 1 to learn all the basic concepts of Power BI. This particular series had more than 150 plus videos to teach you each and every concepts around DEX, around Power Query, so that you can enhance your skills in Power BI. Subscribe to the channel. Hello and welcome to another video of beginner tutorial series, and in today's video we are going to discuss one Power Query function, that is Table.ToRecords. Now what happens in the past, we have created a table from records. Now we are going to convert the table into records now. So let's see what does this function require. So this function requires a table in the argument, and it is going to return a certain list. Okay, so list of records it should return, so it should return as records of, it should return a list, and it list should contain record should be each line. That's how we should get it. So let's go ahead and try this out in Power Query. So for that, let's go to Power BI. In Power BI, from the home tab we go to transform data, and we will reach Power Query. Now once we reach Power Query, we are going to create a new source and do this operation. But let's see what table we have. So we have this table 1 which has ABC, and table 2 also which is having ABC. So we are going to use table 1, and we are going to convert this into records. So new source, from the home tab, blank query, we got a blank query. Let's rename it by double clicking table to records. Okay, and now right click and go to advanced editor, and we'll say table to records, and then we'll pass the table name, table 1. So whenever we have space in the name, we give it double quotes, and we give a prefix hash. This is how we give, and let's click on done. So we got a list. So you can see 3 lists, and each list have 1 record, and this is the record which we have inside that list. Okay, so and the way I am doing is I'm not clicking on this record, I'm clicking on this space here. If you click on the record, actually it will show you the record, and then it is actually create a navigation step here. So to cross it back, go back here. Okay, so always click in this space. That's the best way to look into these data. Okay, the empty space, don't click on the hyperlink, just click in the space. So we got it. Now let's give some data manually and just try the same operation out. So we go to table 1, advanced editor, bring in this data, table data. We go here, table 2 records, advanced editor, and this time I'll use the advanced editor under the home tab, advanced editor, and instead of table, let me give the code. And let me do a little bit of modification here to 3 1 4. 1 4 should come inside, isn't it? We'll make it 11, we'll make it 12, and we'll make it 13. Okay, done. Now let's look at our records. So we got a new record now. See, this is one row, ABC 1 to 11, and the date. Another record, another record. Each row is a record now. So this is how you use this operation, table to records. We created a table from record, now we are converting back into a record, so both side operations are possible. So go ahead and try that out, and do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.